On your phone, open the Facebook Messenger app. This works the same on most recent versions of Messenger. From the main chat screen, look at the top left corner and tap your profile picture. This opens your settings menu. Here, we'll scroll to find the Privacy and Safety section. Slowly scroll down until you see Privacy and Safety, then tap it once. Inside Privacy and Safety, look for the option labeled Blocked Accounts. We'll open that next. Tap Blocked Accounts. This is where Messenger keeps the list of people you've blocked. You're now on the Blocked Accounts page. At the top, you'll see a short explanation, and below it, your list of blocked people. If you've blocked anyone, their name and profile picture will appear here in a scrollable list. To see options for someone you blocked, tap their name on this list. Here, you'll see controls to unblock them or adjust how they can contact you on Messenger and Facebook. If you just want to check who's blocked, you don't need to change anything. You can simply scroll and review the list, then go back. That's it. Open Messenger, go to your profile, then Privacy and Safety, and tap Blocked Accounts to quickly see everyone you've blocked.